Hello, everybody, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel guru today with a new formula called concatenate. Yes, it's a bit confusing name. I'll spell it over here. Uh, concatenate. Yes, it's a beautiful formula. Beautiful formula can help you a lot when working with text or numbers both. All right, I'll tell you what it does exactly. Well, concatenate allows you to join text strings, multiple text strings into one, or number strings into one string. For example, in this column we see first name, over here we see last name, and say this is Alan, this is Jones. We want them together over here, like Alan Jones. So that is this can be done by concatenate. Or over here we see Bob Williams. So we want a Bob space Williams. So this is again done by this formula. See, it can save you a lot of time. Carol Davis, Carol, comma Davis. You may want to do this in your office, in your home, in your class. Excuse me. You may even want the last name first and the first name last, as is very popular in European or the Western countries and US. So I'll teach you that. This is what concatenate can do. So I'll remove these formulas and then I'll tell you how to put them in. As usual, I'll tell you them in two ways. First one, by entering the formula syntax of concatenate. The second way of by doing it by going into formula tab and then going into the fx feature. All right, so let's start today's session. Concatenate. All right, so every formula in Excel starts with is equal to. A few people start with a plus symbol also. So we'll type in is equal to concatenate. I may have entered the wrong spelling. Concatenate, parenthesis open, it says text 1. So we'll choose text 1. Alright. Then it says put a comma. I'll put a comma. Then it says choose your text 2. So this is my text 2. My text 2 is C10. So I'll enter my text 2 C10 and I'll close the bracket. See, we got Alan Jones. Isn't it good? Wonderful. So before I proceed further, we'll just verify what we did. We entered concatenate, we opened the bracket which is called parenthesis open, we chose the first name which is B10. See, B10, and then we chose C10. We entered a comma and chose C10. So this can give you this result, Alan Jones. I'll do the same with the formula tab. By going to the formula tab, fx function, and I'll type in over here brief, type a brief description of what you want to do and then click go. So I'll type concatenate. See, concatenate, what does it do? Joins several text strings into one text string. Okay, so text 1 is Alan, text 2 is Jones. So I'll press OK and it gave me the same result. So that is concatenate. Now something more, a bit advanced, better than this. We may not want to have the first name and the last name together without a space. We may want a space. So I'll tell you how to do that. We'll again do in is equal to concatenate, parenthesis open, bracket open, first text, comma. Now this is where it gets interesting. We press, we enter a semicolon open, space, semicolon close, comma, and then we choose the last name. Then we choose the last name, bracket close. See, we got Carol Davis. Isn't it nice? We were able to insert a space. Now I'll tell you how to insert a comma over here. Same feature, concatenate, parenthesis open, first text, comma, semicolon open, a comma in over here, semicolon close, another comma in over here, and last name. And we close the bracket. Alan Jones. See, I'll tell you what it did actually over here. Concatenate formula took B13 as the first value, then you gave a comma and gave a semicolon open. So it understood that anything in between, let it be even a space or whatever you want, a symbol, would be added between the two values. The second value was C13, which is the last name of this person. So, and we can do it the other way around. We can have the last name first, like this is Bob Williams, we can have Williams Bob. So is equal to concatenate. I want the last name first, so I chose the last name first, comma, parenthesis, bracket, semicolon open, another comma, semicolon close, another comma, and then I have the first name. I'll close the brackets, that is the parenthesis close, and we have Williams Bob. We can copy it, Control C, Control V, copies it for us. As simple as that. I hope every you liked it. And now this training file that you see, Excel file, is available on my website, excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Yes, that's the website. This file, you can go into training files tab over here and download this training file so that you can work along, play along, or follow along this training video again and again at your convenience whenever you want. All right. And yes, my all my video links are over here. These are for my English viewers. This is a playlist in English. You can just click over here and it will show you all the English videos, or you can click over here and it will show you all the Hindi videos. You can just scroll like this. All right. Shh. And one thing I would like all of you to ask, I like all of you to do is, if you like my video and if you happen to have a Facebook account, do go and like me over there. It will help me in spreading awareness about Excel on the net also, because Facebook is one of the most popular medium over there. Help me on that part. I'm trying to just spread awareness. And this is my YouTube channel. You can click over here, you can go over here, subscribe, and you can either sign in or sign up. Now with this, whenever a new video is added, you would be made aware by YouTube on that part. All right. Well, I hope you liked today's session. So this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day. Happy Excel learning.